Okay, we're back. The 5 minutes is up, so we're going to go ahead and measure our foam again. So this is for your second data table. If you look, we've taken the lid off, it sat for 5 minutes, and we're measuring the foam again. So this time, our foam, let me take this little label off here so I can see a little bit better. At least push it down. Now, this is up to you, but you need to be consistent. The controlled variable that we talked about, you'll notice that it's much more bubbly at the top than it was before. All right, spread out, and as I squeeze this, I'm pushing this up. So I'm definitely gonna measure from the bottom where it's thick and ignore this bubbly stuff, or like real airy stuff. That's up to you, but you need to be consistent in how you do it so that it's a controlled variable, okay? So if I measure just the thick stuff that existed before, I'm down at 6 centimeters, okay? So you would record that. Observation-wise, that there's not a box for it there, but if you're using my data, I would say ignore the airy bubbles at the top. You've got some space there on the side. There's no box for it, but I would put that. And really, like I said, the reason I did that partly is because I was taking the label off and I squished those bubbles back up. So I'm just focusing on the thick foam, which is what existed the first time. Now for the last part, the relative velocity, okay? You do not have to do it in this bottle. So you can get an open container, it makes it a little bit easier. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one that has the rest of my solution in it. So I can pour this solution back in. And again, you want to have a controlled variable, so you want to make sure that you have the same amount of liquid that you're going to send the penny through for the relative velocity. So if you need to know at home, this is about 7 centimeters. And if you don't have a ruler, don't be afraid to use, a penny, for instance, or something normal, like maybe a pen, okay, and say how many pens it is. That's kind of long. But a paper clip would work. Even I could use my popsicle stick and measure this way and count how many popsicle sticks up it is. All right. So use something to compare for that measurement. And like I said, mine is 7 centimeters tall. So all I'm going to do is start my timer and drop my penny. And I have to go get my timer, so we'll do one more video.